Okay, we see some example of a polymorphism, or better, we'll go with the abstractions. Okay, so first we should know what is abstract. So abstract class or abstraction. Okay, so this is hiding implementation part. So implementation is nothing but a logic, okay, business logic. So to hide that, we are using two different types in abstract. So one is called as partially abstract, and the second one is it is called fully abstract. Okay. So the first we should know what is partially abstract. So it is a uh, okay, this partially abstract is nothing but it will support abstract method and also non-abstract method. Okay, it. So these are the key points. So please make a note. Support abstract and non-abstract method. Okay, so it will support both the methods. So here we cannot create an object for a abstract class. Okay, if I have an anything something called as an abstract class, I'll tell you a simple coding. Okay, don't worry. So I have something called as an abstract class. So we cannot create object for abstract class. We cannot create because in the method signature. So method signature is example. So method signature example is nothing but this is. So I'm giving as an example. Okay, example abstract void savings. This is a some. This is a method. Okay, this is an abstract method signature. Okay, so what they are saying is we cannot create an object for an abstract class because in the method signature we didn't mention any business logic. Okay, so we'll not mention any business logic like example system.out.println. So this is a value it should be printed while I'm creating an object. So that cannot be possible in the partial abstraction. And then in abstract method, we only mention the abstract signature. We cannot create a business logic. We already know that. It have a two class. One is abstract class, subclass, and the other one is superclass. Okay. So we'll have a two classes to create a partial one. One is abstract class, and the another one is we'll call it as a superclass. Abstract class is here. It is called as a child class, that is subclass. So child class called as a subclass. Okay. So we create an object in business logic only in the superclass. So in the superclass only we can create an object. Okay. So here only we can create an object in superclass. So let's check. So how we will code it. Just go to the Eclipse. Okay, I'll create one new file, that is new class. Just right click, go to the one class. I'm giving a name as bank. Sorry. So I'm creating the class as bank. Okay, so see here. Yes, hello. Yes, yes, ma. Good evening, ma. Okay, ma. Can I call you after 10 minutes because I'm in the session? Oh, you written the exam. You have written the exam. Okay, thank you. So here I'm going to create some, abstract class. Already we know how to create these things, so make it very simple. So just refer this to create a partial abstract. Okay, just come down. So see here, this is my abstract class. So I will not create any. This is my subclass, right? So abstract is a subclass here. So in between, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a method signature. Method signature. So this is a method signature. So method signature is I'm creating some methods. That's it. So abstract void method name is saving. And then I need some two more methods. So these are all called as a signature. So I'm again changing the method names or current, and then here it's going to be a salary. Okay, these are the signatures. So here I'm creating one more method. Okay, it is not a abstract method, it's a normal partial method. So public void, giving the name as branch details. So let's close this. In between, I'll give system dot out dot println. Okay, so here I'll mention the name as the branch details of which state, city. So I'll giving it as a Chennai, or we'll go with Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so this is how it is. Next, so this abstract class is called as a subclass, and I'm going to create one more class. It is called as a super class. In this super class, see, it is very important to know. I'm creating a super class. Class name is ICICI Bank. Okay, and so now I need to extract this abstract class here. So how can I do this? Here you need to know, use the extends keyword. Using that, you can call the subclass. Okay, so ICICI. So inside this, I'm going to give a public void savings. So see here, this you have to understand. In abstract class, I'm not going to define any logic, but when we come to one of this super class, you need to specify the logic for the void savings. Okay, so system dot out dot println regular savings, and I'm giving some semicolon. So this is called as a business logic. This is called as a business logic. And next, again, just copy this. Three times I copied, and as this one as current, this gonna be a salary. Okay, so this is how I've created. So now I need to fetch all these details, right? So how we can do this using a public static void main. So go here, public static void main string of arguments. So here I'm going to fetch all these details. How can I fetch this? Better we can change the name. So I'm giving access, copy this. So this is my super class. So whatever it may be. So you have to call in the main method using a super class, not with a subclass. Okay. So and I'm giving some variable name as ET, creating new access bank. I'm getting the details. Debt dot. I'm going to fetch the details of branch, right? Savings of. So we'll check what is the error. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys, can you see this? So I have a different file called as one is bank, the another one is Access Bank. So this bank has a details where it is. So this is a abstract class, and this is called Access Bank class. So it get share the informations. So here you must need to just you have to give the method signature, but business logic should be written in this. So will be useful in the real time examples. I'll see in the real time examples. Okay, yes or no? Are you clear with this concepts, ma? Yes, guys, everyone. Did you understand what is partial abstraction?